Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and I am Anika Saad. In today's video I'm going to tell you about the layer cutting. Guys, this is a very beautiful hairstyle. For this, first you have to wet your hairs like this. And the second step is you have to take a part of your hair like this and comb it properly and trim its end like this. You have to take this part perpendicular to the head and trim its end again. Now slightly increasing the angle according to the head and continue to trim the ends like this. Now repeating the same procedure with the next layer. First comb the layer properly, then trim its end. Take this layer perpendicular to the head, trim its end again. Now slightly increasing the angle of the layer and continue to trimming like this. Now you have to repeat the same procedure with all your rest of the layers. So for the front layer you have to cut them in downward direction as I have shown in my previous video of flex cutting. You can see that video through the link given in the description box. Now the last step is to trim the hairs in a proper U shape like this. So guys, this is the final look. Do you like it or not? Please let me know in the comment box. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel and share my video. Thank you.